So this is training. As you can see, we have 4 miniature versions of the full-size stations that you've seen over in the gestation barn. So these are miniature versions of the full-size stations with no electronics, no ear tag required. And how this is set up is that when we first bring a gilt in, or we first bring a group of gilts in, we lock these back doors open and we chain open that middle gate and then also lock open that exit gate. And we allow the gilts come in from any direction to find feed for the first 2 to 3 days. Once we're confident they know where feed is, we start closing these doors down and individually guiding gilts into these stations. So by day 9, we know who are the quick learners and who are the not so quick learners. So at that time, we leave the quick learners in this section of the pen and we close off the pins over here. And we can concentrate all of our attention on those 20% that are hard learners on the single training station. This whole process takes about 2 weeks for them to learn how to run through these feeding stations. So after the 2 weeks of training is complete in the training room, we bring the gilts in here and we group them in pens based on their expected breed date. They got the same training station, the miniature version of the full-size station, still no electronics, just a single hole finisher feeder in front. But then this just reinforces the training that those gilts just received. And this design also allows us to, if we still have some slow learners, we can continue to work with them in smaller groups in this barn. Then after this stage, when we know they're going to come into heat next, and they're old enough and big enough, we will move them to the gestation barn and breed them in there.